That is some good news. The FDA's approval of a fourth dose of the COVID-19 vaccine for people over the age of 50 and those who are immune compromised is causing some controversy now, and that's because there was no specific clinical trial evidence behind the fourth dose. Tonight on Your Side's Brianna Ray Turner spoke with a local doctor who explains why some people are not too happy with the FDA's decision this time.
In recent years, for COVID vaccines, the FDA made decisions based off clinical trial evidence and recommendations from experts. But for the fourth dose, that wasn't the case.
What they did is they took observational data from around the world, particularly Israel, and those observational data showed that the protection of the vaccine booster starts to wane after 6 months.
Dr. Michael Koren, Chief Executive Officer at Jacksonville Center for Clinical Research, says that's when the FDA authorized the fourth dose, 6 months after the third dose if you are a high-risk person.
That's why some doctors are arguing, hey, we really should have done this systematically. It's great to think that that was good, but wouldn't it be better to prove that that was good? And that's where the controversy lies.
But here's the issue.
And what we don't know is whether or not the original formulation of the wild-type virus as a booster is sufficient, or whether or not every 6 months the booster should be updated depending upon the strain that's actually in the communities that are being vaccinated.
He says many people are uncomfortable with the idea of knowing that there is no clinical trial for the fourth dose.
Maybe it doesn't have to be as massive as the first clinical trials, but certainly doing something showing that it is safe in a selected population of patients is something that a lot of people thought was the appropriate way to go about things.
Currently, the Jacksonville Center for Clinical Research is running clinical trials on the fourth dose, looking at the effectiveness and the safety of it. In Jacksonville, Brianna Ray Turner, First Coast News, on your side.
Jacksonville has had a big impact on the research ongoing during the COVID pandemic. And if you are eligible for a booster shot or you're looking to get your first dose of the vaccine, we can send you information on scheduling an appointment. You could text vaccine to the number on your screen, 633-2402. Text the word vaccine. We'll send you a link with the information that you need.
The earned